I didn't even realize how beautiful the house could be. I mean, these designers have done an incredible job. Did you even see, like, just down even like with Robin in this cabinet? I mean, this is the original built-in cabinet that is completely tricked out. I mean, everybody just took such time and care in the house. It's incredible. And this room with all of the, the wallpaper that was added, but it kept all the original character. I mean, this is all of the cabinetry that's from the house, just spruced up. The original pine floors that were sanded, and we turned in what is the butler's pantry breakfast room into the family kitchen into a breakfast room for our family. So she added the lighting and the glass shelves. Wow. Do you remember this room though, with the ceiling caving?
We can turn the lights out if you want the lights out.
I just realized you've got.
We tried to respect the house as a 1920s house, but to introduce some things with some new elements. But we also incorporated some antique elements in here in this bedroom too. Tried to keep it restful, something the owners had requested, and tried to make it appealing to a broader spectrum of people. So, and I think we've been very successful at that.
Marsh Kitchens came on board first with the kitchen design, and so they and the homeowners had already created a cabinet plan for the kitchen, and that's the foundation. That's where you start with everything. So they Marsh Kitchens started with the cabinets, and then from there I took on the rest of the design based on the really pretty linen, soft linen perimeter and the graphite island, and incorporated some really interesting elements such as the grass cloth ceiling, wallpaper ceiling, and
That's what you do.
yes, and we have silestone for our countertops.
What kind?
Silestone quartz. It's quartz countertops made by silestone by Constantino. Yes, Rouse make this countertop. It's walnut with a maple inlay.
Did you see that lamp? At first I was like, oh, they got the lamp shade out.
Welcome to the veranda at the Julian Price House. Everything on the veranda is antique or vintage, and it's designed by the Antique and Design Center of High Point. We produce an antique show during the High Point Furniture Market.
Hello, welcome to the Sun Parlor at the Julian Price House. This is a wonderful, intimate setting for the family to gather, read a nice book on a sunny afternoon, or enjoy a game at the table. And I love the green.
This is one of those that does.
Do you remember it?
One of them is.
Is that where you grew up? Okay.
I grew up. Okay.
And you can see
Michael
this
and
is the
Aaron.
I text you, but I don't know.
I just got my phone.
I'm gonna get this from this one. I was asking about the name, and I'm sure it'll be on the document. This was
or lend them. Some of them weren't very willing, but we found the ones who were, and we're so thankful.
Yeah.
And we should also mention that our two major sponsors were Wilson Art in Surya.
What is it? Wilson?
Wilson Art, one word, WILSONART.
So they.
And they're located in.
I'm not sure where they're.
When their kids were little, this is what they wanted to do to the bonus and set it up as an extra play.
Yes.
A piece of history. I think we've connected on a
I'm Dawn Hayner, so far.
Cool blanket to